Hey guys, today, my name is Matthew Pham and welcome to Mr. Minecraft Guy. So, and look, it's my smoke detector. My smoke detector is a good smoke alarm, but I took it down like 4 months ago, my smoke detector, because we installed the new smoke detector downstairs. It's the carbon monoxide detector, and then I took the old one out off the ceiling downstairs, and look at my smoke detector. My smoke alarm is so cool. It looks so beautiful, and I'll show you on the back of my smoke alarm. In the back, it says Fire X and 12011E2. How old is this smoke detector? It was made from 2000, so my smoke alarm was like almost 19 years. Right now, my smoke detector is 18 years old, and look, yeah, my smoke alarm's doing good, and so I'm confident that my smoke detector has no beeping and no chirping. So I just open the trap door, battery, I have a battery, and that goes apart, and you just simply just close it, and yeah, my smoke alarm will start chirping a little bit because I took the battery out and I put it back in. It's gonna chirp another 5 minutes. My smoke detector that I took one down because we installed the new ones. So yeah. So I still have my smoke alarm up there in my bedroom. You can see that. Wow. How tall? It's like 8 feet away. And yeah, my smoke alarm is perfect, but it has a green light. Yeah. So yep, my smoke alarm. It's in the ceiling in my bedroom, and the old one right there on the back. Let's see I can find any cool smoke detectors in my house. Yep. And go. Wow, looks cool. It's like the same design. Yep. Same design smoke alarm. Yep. So yes. Well, thank you for watching this. Subscribe, and you can post in my notifications. So goodbye.